Hello, my name is David White and I am a horticulturist for Cincinnati Parks. I've been with Parks for about 4 years and I take care of a portion of Eden Park, Lytle Park, which is on the other side of downtown, and Piatt Park, which is where we are today. Piatt Park is commonly referred to as the city's oldest park, but technically it is the third oldest park because in 1817, the Piatt brothers, who donated this piece of property to the city, it did not become an official park until 1868. Today, we'll be planting my favorite perennial hellebore. I love hellebore for many reasons. They are drought tolerant, they do very well in shade, they are deer resistant in that the deer will not eat these, and they also are a semi-evergreen in that they keep their leaves throughout the entire winter. They bloom starting in about January to February, and those blooms will last up until April or May. So today we'll be planting two different varieties of hellebore. This one is known as Merlin here. The one back here is known as Dana's Dulcet. They're just two varieties of very many in the hellebore family that you can obtain pretty much at any retailer. When you're planting perennials, just general rule of thumb, you want to dig the hole exactly as deep as the pot is deep. So this is about 6 inches, so you want to dig that hole about 6 inches, and you want to do it about twice as wide as the diameter of the pot. So this should be about 10 inches wide. So I will go ahead and dig the soil here. Again, I like this plant because it can withstand very many dry conditions, as well as it can withstand very many different types of soil. So remove the plant from the pot. I just loosen up the roots just very gently before you plant. Push your soil around, pack it in loosely here. And then after we plant all these, I'll follow up with a thin layer of mulch between 1 to 2 inches deep. Good thing about perennials, shrubs, and trees is you can plant them any time of year, as long as the ground is not frozen. So we're going to continue planting the hellebores over here. Hellebore are not native to this area. They're native to Eastern Europe, but they have really made they make a great presence here in the United States. So again, dig your hole just as deep as the pot is tall, about twice as wide, and then don't forget to mulch and water about every 3 or 4 days. Thank you for joining me today for the peek at the park at Piatt Park. Again, I hope you learned enough about hellebore to go out and plant some yourself, and I have to go plant the rest of these, so thank you.